guys, so this is just a quick video on a new indicator called X Scalper. So this indicator basically is a really nice check with me. So let's say you're looking to enter a long, right? You wanna get into a long trade. Maybe it's at a really nice support level that you want, and you didn't enter yet, right? You're looking for extra confirmation. Well, you can look down at the indicator and see that, this individual candle, these individual candles are already pretty extended, and you can see the push. The push is going to, look, these things can stay overextended forever, right? So I don't want to say that you can't get into the trade or shouldn't get into the trade or anything like that, but let me tell you this. If I'm playing, let's say I'm playing this long, right? This is basically a breakout trade, let's say. All right. Price has already moved, what is this? 40, 50 points? What is this? From 70 up to 600. Yeah, about 30, 40 points, give or take. So if I'm playing and I want to enter this is... You got to ask yourself a question. Is this a setup for minis? Is this a setup for a lot of contracts? Is this a setup for the biggest amount of risk you're willing to take in a trade? Or is this better for like 1 micro, 2 micros, right? And then about 20 minutes go by, and we can see price comes right back to retest the same level that it broke from. And now we look down, and there it is. Red candles switching to white after a red hue. That's an entry because you're buying at the low of price. And then you just stay in the trade. You don't need to look at this and say, oh no, now it's extended, it's going to come back down, and it's going to take... No. You don't know how far down it's going to come or anything. Just look at the indicator as a way to get into the trade with a small stop loss. That's it. Now, just like the description says, if I'm playing with 1 micro, I don't care to even look at this, right? Because the tolerance for pain is fine. But if I'm entering a trade with a couple minis, let's say, or if I'm entering this trade with 10 micros, let's say, the tolerance for pain is not really there, meaning that I don't really want it to come back that much on me, right? I really want to time my entry the best way possible. This is a great way to do it. All right, so it's not an indicator that you need to look at until you're ready to enter the trade. This indicator is not to help you with analysis. This indicator is not to help you to decide if you're a bull or a bear. This is not a buy and sell indicator. This is an indicator that is a check with me. Hey, I'm about to enter. Am I buying when price is considered cheap? Am I buying when price is considered expensive? So if I'm going to buy here and I look down and I see that it's already extended, that's 2 micros or that's 1 micro, right? Because it could just come right back down and test the low. I don't know. In this case, it breaks out and the 2 micros are making good money, right? So again, you don't need to use this indicator for anything other than a check with me. Excuse me. This bottom bar right here, the way you can look at it is when it turns dark red, look up at price, you can see that it's going up. So dark red, price is going to be going up. Dark green, price is going to make a move down. All right. That's all that this indicator is for. Or these bars, that bar is for. If we double click on it, you have 3 settings for the speed of the strength bar. So you can change it to fast, change the coloring direction a little bit, speed it up. By default, it's on slow. You guys know I'm always looking for, I enjoy the lagging part of the indicator, especially on a 1 minute time frame is already fast enough, right? So we don't need something to be even faster. But, if you're going to use this indicator on a slower time frame, let's say the 1 hour, the 15 minute, the 4 hour, then, maybe it's better to get the speed up on fast. For choosing the candle type, you can do normal candlesticks, which, if you have normal candlesticks on chart, on your chart, you just click on chart, and that will adjust it. The ashy candles, for those of you that are in my mentorship, what ashies do. They smooth the price, right? And that's what this indicator, that's what this option will do to this indicator, is it will smooth price. All right. And in the styles, you can come and change the coloring to anything you like. All right. So I hope you enjoy this indicator. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care now. Bye-bye.